Is it not troublesome to visit TIN Facilitation Center and file your TDS returns? The effort involves human resources. Filing is possible only during working hours. There is a filing cost for each return. Is it not possible to file my TDS returns online? Good news! The Income Tax Department has introduced online filing based on OTP authentication, and that too at zero cost. With TDSMAN, you have a simplified and integrated process for a seamless online filing experience. To file online, provide the return information like TAN, financial year, TDS form number, quarter number, return type. Upload the return file and click for submission. After OTP authentication, the TDS return is filed. It takes less than a minute to file online without leaving your comfort zone. Experience it. Feel the difference. Download the free trial now. Visit www.tdsman.com.